Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 10 and the name of our unit is Good Manners and Habits. Today I am going to review this unit. So my dear students, before moving on towards the review, look at these student learning outcomes. Alhamdulillah, we have covered all these points. आज हम इन्हीं को एक दफ़ा revise करेंगे and by the end I will provide you with an assessment sheet. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what are washroom etiquettes. Put your left foot whenever you are entering, recite the dua, wash your hands when you leave the toilet and flush the toilet always after using it. इसके अलावा जब आपने washroom exit करना है, put your right foot first outside और दुआ पढ़िएगा. इस तरीके से आप तमाम washroom etiquettes जो हैं उनको follow करेंगे. So my dear students, in the first lecture we discussed about the greetings. So why should we say, what should we say when we meet someone? We must say Assalamu alaikum. इससे हम एक दूसरे पे सलामती भेजते हैं. इसके अलावा कुछ और greetings जो हैं वो कौन कौन सी हैं? Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Then we discussed about the good manners. So why should we say the truth? Because Allah likes the truth. और इससे जो है honesty जो है वो आपकी साबित होती है. How should we behave with animals and others? We must behave kindly and politely with the animals and others. हमने again good manners discuss किए थे और उसमें what should we help others? Yes, we must also always help the needy people. Should we do our work with honesty? Yes, we must always do our work with honesty. Should we respect our elders? Yes. Okay, my dear students, then we discussed about the eating habits. So, what etiquette should we follow while eating? Wash your hands, recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then eat with your right hand. Do not make noises when you are eating. Stay quiet when you are eating. Wash your hands afterwards and say Alhamdulillah. And then we discussed about unhealthy eating habits. So, should we eat unhealthy food? No, we must not eat unhealthy food. Avoid करें germs वाला, street vendors वाला food और ऐसा food जो कि junk food है. Always try to opt for healthy food. And then we discussed about the washroom etiquettes. So, my dear students, कौन-कौन से washroom etiquettes जो है वो आप follow करते हैं? Quickly tell me. Very good. Okay, my dear students, so now is the time for practice, for which you need to download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and the roll number and then start working. So write G for good and B for bad habit for every picture. So look at these pictures very carefully and good habit के लिए G और bad habit के लिए आपने B लिखना है. So pause the video and complete this part of the worksheet. Very good. Okay. So my dear students, आप इस वर्कशीट को अपनी टीचर को सबमिट करवाएंगे और वो आपको टेस्ट में मार्क्स देंगी. So for homework, you will do MCQs given on page number 80, reading section given on page number 78 and 79. So you will do both these parts in your book. So my dear students, the wrap up of the lesson is ये आपका analysis and interpretation है जो आपने book में complete करना है. And this is the picture reading that you will also do in your books. This is about the courtesy words. So my dear students, the wrap up of the lesson is हमें हमेशा एक दूसरे को ग्रीट करना चाहिए मिलते हुए. इससे प्यार मोहब्बत बढ़ती है. हमें अपने अंदर गुड हैबिट्स जैसे कि सच बोलना, पंक्चुअल रहना, ऑनेस्ट होना, रिस्पेक्ट करना दूसरों की, जानवरों के साथ और सबके साथ मेहरबानी से पेश आना जैसी आदत जो है वो अपनानी चाहिए. इसके अलावा हमें खाना खाते हुए कुछ अच्छे आदाब है जो कि अपनाने चाहिए, जैसे कि बिस्मिल्लाह का पढ़ना, हाथों का धोना, खाना खाते हुए खामोश रहना, मुंह बंद करके खाना खाना, अपना खाना ख़त्म करना, राइट हैंड से खाना, ये तमाम आदाब है जो कि हमें अपनाने चाहिए. इसके अलावा अनहेल्दी ईटिंग हैबिट्स और अनहेल्दी फूड को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. वॉशरूम एटिकेट्स का हमें ख्याल रखना चाहिए. इन तमाम चीज़ों को ही हम गुड मैनर्स और गुड हैबिट्स कहते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल नो अबाउट दीज एटिकेट्स एंड हैबिट्स नाउ and you will adopt them also. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the unit. So my dear students, have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah.